Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the original Xbox background on your Xbox One. And this is actually really easy. So you can see it's got Xbox Live, settings, music. And that background was very cool back in the day. It seemed very futuristic. So we can go to My Games and Apps, and we can go to Apps, and we can just go to Microsoft Edge right here. Using the Edge browser, we can just type something in. So let's just type in original Xbox background. You can see I searched for it already. We can select this, and then we can just go to images. And we can find an original Xbox One or Xbox background. So I think I had this one right here. Just select it, press options on it, go to set as background. Then it's going to set as the background, and boom, you have it on your Xbox One now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.